Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Fun. We are back with the second series and the second physiographic division of Rajasthan, that is Aravalli Mountain. So let's see. Before reaching to the facts, we need to see the distribution of Aravalli with the help of map. So let's see. This is the place from where the Aravalli begins. Aravalli starts at Delhi. Over there, it is known as Raisina Hills, and it terminates in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. So roughly it is around 692 kilometer. But if we talk about the distribution of Aravalli and the length of Aravalli in Rajasthan, it is nearby 550 kilometer. Moving towards the second map, we can see that over here Aravalli is narrow, and with increasing length we can see the Aravalli gets broad over here. So we can say that in just a second, with the help of map we can say that in the northeast position the Aravalli is narrow, while reaching to the west south, or basically we can say south, the width of Aravalli increases. So now let's see the facts regarding Aravalli. Aravalli is known as folded residual mountain. Folded means when two plates, if we take this is the plate A and this is the plate B, if they converge towards, or if we say if they get diverged towards, then we can say by the overlapping kind of mountain is found. So by the convergence of two plate A and B, a mountain will be formed like this. So it is termed as folded mountain. The period of formation of Aravalli is Precambrian. Moving towards the length, as I have already discussed, it is 692 kilometers, that is from Delhi to Gujarat it is 692, and in Rajasthan it is 550 kilometers. Average height is 930 meters. Now let's take a roughly diagram by which we can easily understand the Aravalli. This is the Aravalli. In Rajasthan it begins from Jhunjhunu, I am writing in short, and we can say it ends in Sirohi and Udaipur. So Aravalli is divided in three parts just for the study purpose. So let's see. From Jhunjhunu to Jaipur we have the northern Aravalli. From Jaipur to Ajmer, or we may say Rajsamand, we have the middle Aravalli, and from Rajsamand to Sirohi it is known as southern Aravalli. I hope these short forms are easy for you to understand. You don't get confused in this. So this is the roughly map by which we can say that Aravalli starts from Jhunjhunu and it ends in Sirohi or Udaipur. Now the northeastern part of Aravalli, that is this part of Aravalli, it is termed as Ishanya, and the southwest part of Aravalli, it is termed as Nairutya. These are the two terms, that is northeast and southwest Aravalli is termed. Now we need to see the Aravalli's subdivisions, that is I have already told you with the help of a diagram. These are North Aravalli, this is Middle Aravalli, and this is South or Southern Aravalli. Now we need to look at Northern Aravalli. It is present between Jhunjhunu and Jaipur, and the highest peak over here is Raghunathgarh. Raghunathgarh is located in Sikar and the height is 1055 meter. It is important to learn because this is the highest peak of Northern Aravalli. Moving towards towards the middle Aravalli, we have the extension between Jaipur and Ajmer, and the highest peak is Chaudhary, and the height of the mountain is 934 meter. If Chaudhary is not given, we may take the answer as Taragarh. This is the second highest peak, but if Chaudhary is not given in the option, we must go with the option Taragarh. Moving to the southern Aravalli, we have the distribution is from Rajasthan and Sirohi, and highest peak is Guru Shikhar, and this is the highest peak of Rajasthan too, right? The height is very important, 722 meter, and it is present in Sirohi. Now, the southern Aravalli is further divided into two parts, that is Abu Aravalli and Mewad Aravalli. Abu Aravalli, as by the name we can easily understand Abu, it is present in Sirohi and Pali, and the highest peak is Guru Shikhar. Moving towards the Mewad Aravalli, it is located in Udaipur and Rajsamand, and the highest peak is Jarga, and this peak is located in Udaipur. Okay, and the height is 1431 meter. Now we need to see the passes and the nals of Aravalli. Look how passes are defined. Like, these are the mountains, and if one need to cross the mountain, one will climb over here, then further here, then here, then here. It is so hard to move. So passes are created, which are also known as nal, so that the distance can be reduced and a easy passage can be created for the movement of people or whatsoever the thing is. It is used basically for transportation. It can be of mankind, it can be of goods, anything. So Rajsamand is the district which has highest number of passes. Now this is the map, and we will see the passes. Basically we will talk about Ajmer, we will talk about Udaipur, and we will talk about Rajsamand, so, and Pali too. In Ajmer we have Parwariya Nal and Surnal. In Pali we have Desuri Nal and Bernal. Okay. Then in Rajsamand we have Someshwar Nal, we have Hathi Guda Nal, it is Hathi Guda, not Hathi Gumpa, it is Hathi Guda. Then we have Khemli Nal. If we take the recent trend of the RPSC and RMSS board, we will see that Khemli Nal is asked in multiple exams, so we need to focus on this. Then we have Gauram Nal, then we have Paglia Nal and Jilwa Nal. Moving towards Ajmer, I have discussed Parwariya Nal and Surnal. In English it is written as Sura. Then we have Pali. Pali, we really need to focus on the Desuri Nal, and the next is Bernal. Moving towards Udaipur, we have Debar Nal, we have Kevda Nal, we have Fulwari Nal, we have Hathi Nal. Hathi Guda is in Rajsamand, while only Hathi Nal it is present in Udaipur. So both becomes important, as both of these are very confusing. Now we need to see that which Nal is connecting what. So the Pagalya Nal, it is connecting Marwad to Mewad. So you can say very important historical sites are covered by the Paglia Nal. Then we have Bernal. Bernal connects Pali to Ajmer. Okay. Moving towards the plateau of Aravalli, we need to know the plateaus. So let's talk about the let's study with the help of map. We have Sirohi. Over Sirohi we have Udia Plateau. Okay, and Udia Plateau is the highest plateau of Rajasthan. Okay, it is situated in Sirohi. Then we have Abu Plateau. By the name we can easily know that Abu Plateau is situated in Sirohi. Then we have the Bhorat Plateau. Bhorat Plateau, it is between the Rajsamand and Udaipur, right? This is Rajsamand, not Rajasthan. Rajsamand and Udaipur. So you can easily remember this by Rajsamand and Udaipur. Then we have the Bhumat Plateau. Bhumat Plateau, it is from Udaipur to Dungarpur. It is present between Udaipur and Dungarpur. Just a second. Now, the confusing thing is Bhorat and Bhumat. Right now, you can easily differentiate between Bhorat and Bhumat, but during the exam, due to the tension of the paper or due to the environment over there, one gets very confused. So the trick over here is R and R. So if you are getting R, you need to see that it is Bhorat and R is for Ratsaman. So the Bhorat is done, and the other thing is Bhorat and Bhumat. You need to see that Udaipur is common between them. If it is R, you need to take Ratsaman, and if R is not there, you need to take the Dungarpur. So the confusion is cleared over here. And the other thing about Bhorat Plateau is this is the second highest plateau of Rajasthan. First is Udia, the second is Bhorat. Moving to the next plateau, we have Lasadia Plateau. It is present in Udaipur, and you can say that it is situated nearby the Jaisamand Lake. Okay. Then we have the Mesa Plateau. It is situated in Chittorgarh, and the Chittorgarh fort is present on the Mesa Plateau. It is known as Triangular Plateau. Then we have the last plateau. It is Kankanwadi Plateau. It is located in Alwar near the Sariska Sanctuary. So these are the plateaus of the Aravalli, the passes of Aravalli. One thing remaining about Aravalli is the highest peaks of Aravalli. We will cover this in the next video with the help of trick, so that we can easily remember the highest peaks of Aravalli. Around 16 peaks are there, and a trick is also there for all the 16 peaks. So we will study this in the next video. Till that, stay tuned, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.